अगर आपका भी रेजोल्यूशन इस न्यू ईयर वेट कम करना था, लेकिन आप बिज़ी रहते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है और अभी तक समझ में भी नहीं आया कि कैसे कम करना है, तो ये रेजोल्यूशन इस साल भी इसी तरह वेस्ट ना हो जाए, उसके लिए ये वीडियो आपने पूरा देखना है। सो यहाँ मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कुछ ऐसे योगासनास, कुछ ऐसे प्रैक्टिसेस जिनको आप कुछ ही देर करेंगे, 5 से 10 मिनट करने के साथ साथ ही आपका जो बॉडी है पूरी तरह फिट रहेगी और आपका वेट लॉस भी स्पीड से होगा। हरिओम, वेलकम टू योग अभ्यास अकेडमी। आई एम लवी सिंह। First practice is high plank pose. Have to come into the plank position. Make sure जब आप plank कर रहे हैं तो आपने अपनी wrist and shoulder को एक लाइन में रखना है, बॉडी को पूरी एक लाइन में रखना है, हिप्स बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं उठने चाहिए, नीचे भी नहीं होने चाहिए। Maintain here 30 seconds and slowly you can increase the time as per your workout capacity. Next, we need to do is push-ups. Now प्लैंक से ही आपने पुशअप्स करना स्टार्ट करना है। फर्स्ट कम टू द प्लैंक पोजीशन, inhale and with exhalation bring your chest close to the mat, hold the body weight on your palms and inhale, come up. Like that you have to do 10 times. अगर ये नहीं हो पाता then touch the knees down and do the push-ups on your knees. 10 counts and then slowly you can increase the numbers of the push-ups. The third practice is Navasana. Here you have to sit down on your mat, make the balance, bend your knees, keep the back straight. As you inhale, lift the heels off the mat, make the balance, hold it. If you're comfortable here, slowly straight your legs for the Purnavasana. जो भी आपको कंफर्टेबल है, अर्धनावासन या पूर्णावासन आप उनमें से कीजिए and hold it 10 seconds to 30 seconds, then slowly increase the time of the asana. Inhale, raise your hands up, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, slightly bend your knees, touch the hands down. Inhale, take your right leg back and touch the right knee on the mat. Exhale, take your left leg also back, come to the plank, look front. Inhale, exhale, touch your knees down, chest down, hips up, hands side of the chest. Inhale, slowly come to the Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Look up, chin and chest up, thighs off the mat. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, hips high, look down. Inhale, bring your right foot between the hands for Ekapada Prasanasana. Exhale, bring your left foot also forward, Uttanasana, head down. Inhale, slowly arch back. Namaskarasati. One more round. Inhale, raise your hands up, arch back. Exhale, bend forward and down, Uttanasana. Inhale, take your left leg back, Ekapada Prasanasana. Exhale, right leg back, Dvipada Prasanasana. Knees and chest down, Astanga Namaskara. Inhale, chin, chest, thighs off the mat, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Hips high, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your left foot forward between the hands, Ekapada Prasanasana. Exhale, right leg also forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, arch back, Urdhvasana. Namaskarasati, normal breathing. Now the last practice is जो है हमारे squats. आपने दोनों पैरों को हल्का सा खोलना है and exhale, sit down like a chair. Squats you have to do it 25 counts in one set, then continue 3 sets of squats. Make sure आप ये सारे practices रोज करें और बहुत ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है, but all these practice has the power to bring your body into the balance. आपकी body का weight management start हो जाएगा, metabolism improve हो जाएगा and you will be look more fit and confident than before. Be happy. Be healthy. Stay tuned. Thank you.